Do you remember when sewing machines were only $25? Well, we do. We're Montavilla Sewing Centers, and we're celebrating our 75th anniversary this year. Established in 1949, we stand proud as a testimony to resilience, innovation, and community. So, how can we keep going for so long? First of all, the largest selection of quality sewing machines. We only carry machines that we believe in and we know will stand the test of time. 2, we are experts who know sewing and sewing machines. So if you have any questions about sewing machines, we are there to answer them for you. 3, we assist you to make you a better sewer, a better quilter, and a better embroiderer. We have the knowledge and we have the skills to help you become better at your crafts. Our extensive range of in-store classes and online videos caters to all levels, providing a learning environment that's both enriching, accessible wherever you are. Come on in to see for yourself why Montavilla Sewing has been around for 75 years, and hope to see you soon.